Raven likes the cold, but I need more layers on right now. I need to wear some gloves. My hands are cold. What do you think, Raven? Wow, that wind is freezing. Say hi to Gojo. Thanks for the love. I see flying hearts. Yeah, good girl. What is that? You hear something? Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for the love. Brr. Cold, cold, cold out. Feels like it's gonna snow. Nice. Thanks, everybody. Not where we live. We're in the country. Thanks for the thumbs up. Everybody hit that thumbs up button. Who knows? I've never seen one. You have to press that thumbs up button. That's the only way I know how to. The little button that looks like a thumbs up. I think it's on the bottom. Looks like that. Double tap, I guess. I don't know. It's got to be somewhere on the screen, I think. Turn the light on. I don't want to flash your eyes, Raven. I don't know. You have to click on it with your mouse. Ah, there, you got it. I see another thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to turn the light out because I don't want to flash Raven's eyes. It's going to be dark, though. What do you think, Raven? You're in the dark. Can you still see her, or is it too dark? Probably too dark. Turn the light back on. What do you see over there, Raven?